How to use Google Ad Campaign Manager for better results. Welcome to this guide on utilizing Google Ad Campaign Manager to enhance your advertising outcomes. Whether you're new to online advertising or looking to optimize your current campaigns, Google Ad Campaign Manager offers a comprehensive platform to manage and improve your ad strategies. First, you need to set clear, measurable objectives for your ad campaigns. Establishing goals helps in evaluating the success of your efforts and guides your ad strategy. Common goals include increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Next, target the right audience. Use audience segmentation to reach potential customers who are most likely to engage with your ads. Google Ads provides robust tools for demographic targeting and interest-based targeting. Then, create compelling ad creatives. Whether you're using text, display, or video ads, focus on delivering clear, engaging, and persuasive messages. High-quality visuals and convincing calls to action can significantly boost engagement rates. Monitoring and analyzing performance is crucial. Use metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend to measure progress. Google Campaign Manager's reporting features offer valuable insights into your ad performance, allowing you to adjust strategies as needed. Budgeting effectively is also key. Set a daily or monthly budget that aligns with your goals and scale as necessary. Regularly reviewing your spending ensures you're getting the highest return on your investment. Finally, don't forget to test and optimize. Be testing different ad elements like headlines, images, and calls to action can reveal what resonates most with your audience. Continuously optimize based on data-driven insights for ongoing improvement. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.